Device assembly. Remove battery. With the device face down, use the notch at the top to lift the back plate up and off of the device. To remove the battery, gently lift from the notch on the left side of the battery. Remove or insert SIM. The device comes pre-installed with a nano SIM card. When a SIM is not installed in the device, a notification will be displayed on the device screen. With the back plate and battery removed, slide nano SIM card into the SIM slot with the gold contacts facing down and the notch to the bottom left. Insert battery. To insert the battery, line up the gold contacts on the right side of the battery and gently slide the battery into place. Reattach the back plate by pressing it into place.